NuSkin for inviting me here. I mean, this is really wild to come out here. I feel like I'm at the Oscars. And it's like winning one. As if I would know. But anyway, it is terrific to be here today, and I want to say, just to say thank you to all of you for coming here, because I know that all of you, the 15,000 people that are here today, 15,000 distributors from all around the country and all around the world, you came here today and you made the decision to come here to Los Angeles. And I want to say thank you for that wise decision. It was a smart decision to come here to our state, to come to our city, because Los Angeles is the best place to be. I want to take this opportunity to just say how impressed I am with your company. I mean, this is unbelievable that $1.3 trillion that you're grossing. I mean, this is spectacular. What a successful company. And to have that many distributors from all over the world. And I've heard there's like 26,000 distributors alone from California that are working with that company. 26,000. Of course, no one knows that there's 15,000 of them that are dedicated just to Joan Rivers. But this is okay, I mean, you understand. She needs a lot of help. There's no question about it. But the reason why I'm here today is because you also made a great, NuSkin has a foundation, and they are very giving, and they gave the After School All-Stars program, which is a foundation